You wake up, and before your eyes even open, AI is already at work, adjusting your smart thermostat based on last night's sleep patterns, detected from your smartwatch and your bed's pressure sensors. The curtains slide open not at a fixed hour, but precisely when the AI system calculates optimal sunlight for your circadian rhythm. Your morning coffee is already brewing, not on a timer, but triggered by a biometric signal showing you've entered a lighter sleep stage. Your bathroom mirror greets you with personalized news briefs, traffic updates, your hydration level, and even a subtle health warning. Because AI noticed a pattern in your bathroom visits and skin tone shifts and wants you to hydrate more. This isn't the future. This is happening right now, and most of us don't even realize it. Artificial intelligence isn't coming, it's already here. And it's not just in labs or data centers. It's in your phone, your car, your house, your watch, your headphones, your fridge, your inbox, your social media, your work calendar, and your daily habits. In today's deep dive on Tech Wave 65, we're unpacking how AI is quietly, completely taking over our everyday lives, and how you can either get steamrolled by it, or get smarter, faster, and stronger using it. Let's start at home. Smart homes are no longer built around gadgets. They're built around AI-driven ecosystems. Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant aren't just voice bots anymore. They're integrated into your home's operating system. They coordinate your HVAC based on real-time weather data and your body temperature history. They dim your lights, lower your blinds, and adjust your sound environment depending on your stress levels, tracked by biometric signals from your Apple Watch or Samsung Galaxy Watch. Your smart fridge uses internal cameras, expiration tracking, and AI-recognized patterns to build your grocery list. It knows when you eat more carbs, when you need to restock proteins, and it syncs that data to your food delivery service automatically. Your washing machine uses AI to analyze fabric types and washing patterns. Your vacuum learns your home's layout, your foot traffic, your pet's habits, and it cleans when you're gone. Now take a step outside. You're not driving your car anymore, your car is driving you. AI in Tesla, Waymo, and even traditional automakers like Mercedes or Hyundai is now in charge of mapping your route based on traffic, road conditions, and your personal preferences. It even adjusts your cabin's temperature, seat posture, and music selection based on how you're feeling, thanks to built-in mood detection from facial recognition. AI-powered dash cams detect collisions before they happen. Insurance AI adjusts your rates based on driving behavior in real time. Public infrastructure, from traffic lights to pedestrian crosswalks, are increasingly run by AI algorithms that manage traffic flow, reduce emissions, and prioritize pedestrian safety based on city-wide machine learning models. Step into work, and AI is there too. Your email? Summarized. Your meetings? Transcribed, analyzed, and action items sent to your calendar automatically. Your project updates? Drafted by AI tools like Notion AI or Microsoft Copilot. Your presentations? Built with a click. You don't open Excel anymore. AI creates custom dashboards and highlights anomalies in your data before you even notice them. If you're in sales, your CRM is AI enhanced, suggesting which clients are most likely to convert and which scripts work best. If you're in customer service, AI pre-reads incoming messages, drafts personalized responses, and predicts customer satisfaction before you even reply. If you're a content creator, AI is your co-pilot. It writes scripts, generates thumbnails, edits video, and even recommends titles optimized for your audience. On Tech Wave 65, we use multiple AI tools just to stay competitive, because if we didn't, we'd be weeks behind everyone else. In medicine, AI diagnoses conditions from imaging scans faster than radiologists. It flags abnormalities in real time. It suggests drug combinations based on DNA. It powers surgical robots that outperform human hands. It even predicts hospital overcrowding. In law, AI reads thousands of legal documents in seconds, extracting relevant case law. In finance, AI is monitoring global markets, detecting fraud, and even executing trades milliseconds before you can blink. But it's not just work. It's how we shop. AI decides what you see on Amazon, what products are bundled, what gets shown at checkout. Price prediction models change costs based on demand. Inventory AI tells stores what to restock automatically. Even the colors of your favorite shoes were chosen by AI analyzing what sells fastest in your region. When you listen to music, AI picks your playlist. Not based on genre, but based on mood, tempo, time of day, and subtle biometric signals from your phone or earbuds. Spotify and Apple Music use AI not just to recommend tracks, but to craft an emotional experience. Social media? Every reel, every ad, every post you see is AI curated for maximum retention. You're not scrolling randomly, you're being guided, shaped, and subtly persuaded by algorithms that know you better than you know yourself. AI writes headlines, adjusts thumbnails, detects your emotions, and tunes content in real time. It knows when you're sad, bored, excited, or just about to bounce. In education, AI tutors are becoming smarter than teachers. They adjust the difficulty, the tone, the format of the material, based on how you learn. Whether you're a visual learner, auditory, or tactile, it adapts. Kids today are growing up with AI tutors who never get tired, never miss a lesson, and never need a lunch break. Even relationships are being shaped by AI. Dating apps use machine learning to predict compatibility. AI therapists provide 24/7 support, using cognitive behavioral algorithms to guide you through stress and anxiety. AI chatbots now simulate conversation partners for the lonely. Some people are even forming bonds with AI companions who remember everything you say, mirror your emotional tone, and make you feel understood, more than most humans ever have. And in your pocket, AI is constantly listening. Siri, Google Assistant, Bixby, they're always on. Your keyboard uses predictive text trained on your personality. Your camera uses AI to enhance lighting, blur backgrounds, and even suggest the best angle. Your calendar suggests events. Your phone battery is optimized by an AI that learns your charging patterns. And yes, even your dreams are being shaped by AI, as sleep tracking apps use machine learning to adjust your bedtime, analyze your REM cycles, and nudge you into healthier sleep hygiene. And here's where it gets wild. AI doesn't just react anymore. It predicts. It anticipates when you'll be hungry. It knows when you're likely to procrastinate. It senses burnout before you do. It rearranges your notifications, delays emails, or suggests music to reset your energy. It tells you to take breaks. It warns you when your screen time is too high. It's not just assisting you. It's managing you. That's the new line. AI is no longer just a tool, it's a behavioral architect. It nudges your habits, rewires your routines, and gently shapes who you are. And if you're not aware of it, you're being influenced in ways you don't even realize. Because every suggestion, every convenience, every automation, it comes at the cost of autonomy. So what do? Do we reject it? No, we master it. You need to build conscious systems. Train your AI tools deliberately. Set boundaries. Decide what gets automated and what stays human. Use AI to extend your abilities, not to dull them. Use it to save time, not to waste it. Use it to deepen focus, not escape it. Learn how your tools work. Teach them how you work. Audit your data. Own your privacy. Protect your digital habits. Because the people who know how to work with AI, not just use it, but understand it, they're not just surviving the future. They're shaping it. So yes, AI has taken over our everyday lives. The question is, are you letting it control you? Or are you learning how to control it? That's what we do here on TechWave 65. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech challenges, future experiments, and real talk from TechWave 65.